Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and stick around because we're gonna get right into the video. So the first product I'm using is a Tarte Maracuja Oil. This is a vegan cold pressed oil that is really good for hydrating your skin. It's packed with vitamin C, which is really good for toning and giving you hydration in your skin. So I'm gonna be going in with this Everyhue Beauty No. 7 Tinted Moisturizer. And this moisturizer has vitamins A, C, and E, which is really good to promote healthier skin, smoother skin, brighter skin, while giving you the coverage and the concealing that you need as a foundation. But it's not a foundation, which is why I love it. Next, I'm going to be using this Born This Way Radiant Concealer in medium. This is an oil-free buildable concealer that I really like, and it's not too heavy, so I really like that. Next, I'm going to be going with this Marc Shameless foundation, and I'm using this as a contour, as a liquid contour. And once I'm finished blending that out, then I'm going to be blending out my concealer that I applied, that Born This Way concealer. And I'm just going to go in with my damp beauty blender and just blend all of that out. Once I'm done, I'm going to be going in with this MAC Cosmetics Skinfinish Bronzer in Dark Deepest. And this is what's going to bring the warmth back to my skin and giving me that super fresh and just natural skin finish. Next, I'm going with my AIRSPUN Naturally Neutral Powder, and I'm using this to kind of soak up all the oils underneath my eyes and in my T-zone and oily areas, and this is going to give me that mattifying natural finish look that I really love. Once I'm done, I'm going back in with my Dark Deepest Skin Finish, and I'm going to be contouring my nose. I normally don't really do a lot when I do this part because I don't like it to look overly contoured. So I like dragging it up and contouring my eyes, as you guys can see me doing here. I'm contouring my eyes to give my eyes a little bit more definition. And next, I'm going in back with my concealer, and I'm just going to try to separate my bridge from the sides of my nose to give it that kind of contoured look. And once I'm done blending out the concealer, I'm going back in with the brush and I'm blending it over using the excess skin finish that I had on the brush. And now I'm gonna use my fingers and kind of blend that in so that it gives me a final finished look. I'm going in with some mascara, and then I'm going in with the She Makeup Brown Liner. This is only 99 cents at your beauty supply store. I'm using this for my brows. I'm using this also for my lips and for my liner. If you guys are interested in an eyebrow tutorial, get this video to 1,000 likes and I will deliver an eyebrow tutorial using this pencil, a full detailed eyebrow tutorial for you guys. Next, I'm going to be using this LA Colors lipstick in matte in Love. This is a perfect nude for any undertone, to be honest. I love this lipstick. And another option would be the Fenty lip gloss, the Gloss Bomb. This is really good for anyone who likes gloss and for any skin tone. Next is this Mented Cosmetics lipstick in Nude LALA. This is good for medium skin tones. And then last but not least, this is Taupe from Mented as well, and this is good for darker skin tones. So I finished off the look using the In Love option, which is the first lipstick I tried on because I love it so much. But I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye, guys.